All right, change of pace today. I'm at my local horse farm a couple blocks from my house. I'm volunteering, doing some framing with my friends Bob and Leslie. We're framing a chicken coop, and they do equine therapy here for emotional trauma, special needs kids, PTSD. They really do some good work here. So just some good mojo. Always good to do some good work in the community. And this is our last nail on this board here. Cordless. Thank you, DeWalt. All good stuff. What's up, buddy? Now this is a horse. If King Kong had a horse, this would be his horse. Hey, buddy.